Hello friends, if you're a new developer and also new in web development or anything, and you're finding open source projects, then this video is for you. If you're trying to contribute on an open source project, then you can contribute these projects. It's a simple thing that I'm trying to build a resume template. It's a Next.js projects, and if you think that open source contribution is difficult, then no, it's a simple thing that you can contribute, and you can find projects on GitHub or Google it, and you find a huge project. But this is a project, it's also open source. What you have to do, just proc this project to your account, then make some changes to this project. It's currently running, then change something on this project, and add your details to the contribution list, but don't remove this old old data. Then make a pull request and wait for it to merge the updated that you update. Then after that it will merge within a few hours, and it will add to your account. And also one thing, that is open source project help to get jobs very quickly. That means yeah, it's hard, but open source projects help sometime. So thank you. You can contribute here.